Hello trader. So welcome once again to another video. So this unique MT4 plugin that we are going to talk about today is unique in a sense that it creates a value for total SL and TP that you have applied or that you have traded in your account. So just to be more clear, we will show you how it works. So as you can see here, the total SL and TP is already given. So just let me draw here. You can see this and you can check. So total SL and total TP as of now it is 0. Okay. So now what we will do, we will place some trades in this account. So first we will trade USD CAD with a stop loss of 1 point. We are going to buy USD CAD, so we'll put stop loss at 1.3280 and we will put the TP 1.3340 and we are going to buy it. So okay, there must be some mistake. It's 1.3280 here, 1.3280, and we'll buy it. So the alert has already been given. Now you can see here. Now let me zoom this for you. So now you can see the SL is 136 and the profit is $328. So SL is okay. I will just modify the. So now you can see here clearly the SL value is minus $136 negative and the TP is 328.87. Here it is 0.35. So this is for one. Now what we will do, we will place another trade in the same pair so that you will come to know, or rather we will put trade in XAUSD. So here we will put new order. We will buy one lot XAUSD. So right now price is 1912. So we will put one lot at 1912 and we'll put a stop loss at 1900 and we'll keep the TP at 1940 and we will buy it. So now you will see the numbers will change accordingly. You can see the update has already received. Now you can check the SL is 1437 US dollar and the TP is 2940. So let me zoom it for you. So now you can see the total SL. Now this is this SL and TP, it includes entire your MT4's entire trading accounts stop losses and all the TPs. So all the stop losses are 1437 and all the TPs, the sum of all TPs is 2940. Now using this indicator you can maintain your risk and reward pattern. You can manage your risk accordingly, because risk to get more detail about risk and reward, you can view our videos. We will put the description below. But the thing is that if you maintain your risk and reward pattern, you will never lose. You will never end up losing, whether it is a month, whether it is a year, or whether it's a week. But you have to maintain your stop losses. So If you have any questions regarding, we hope that this video was useful to you. If you have any questions regarding our system and strategy, feel free to ask us. Thank you for being with us. Thank you.